I'm in electrical engineering prep, and I chose it because there's a strong demand for electrical jobs. And I thought that if I get into it, it's a big field, and I could just find what I want to do from there.
This program is mainly about trying to teach students the skills that's necessary to go into the electrical and the electronic trades. So that can be a variety of different things, from engineering work, electrical or electronic engineering, residential, commercial, industrial, electricians, maintenance technicians. It can be people that are actually like bench technicians.
We've learned how to read schematics. We've learned how to wire up little circuit boards. We've learned how to solder and a lot of other skills.
We're kind of like going to be the builders. We're going to be the ones that actually go out and power up communities so they can do anything that they want to in that regards. They're going to become a variety of experts in just a few short years.
I like how Mr. Khan gives us some freedom to work on projects that we bring in ourselves. Like I've brought in my uncle's old computer and we're fixing it up.
My favorite part of the class has been the freedom to work on projects as I see, because not everyone learns at the same pace, and some people are ahead of others. And I've had the opportunity to work solo and work with my friends,